In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 exclusive limited edition bodies from Proline, and then they also released some ramps for mini scale vehicles, and we're going to put them to the test as well in this video. There we go. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're jumping straight into today's video. So Proline is on a roll. They have 3 exclusive limited edition bodies that they're releasing for the Mojave Grom, the brushless one, and then also the brush one. I'm kind of at a loss of words. I'm also looking at another item that they released too. They also have some ramps that I have set up here. So I'll put links down below in the description for all these. Now these bodies come in 3 different color schemes. You guys kind of see that popping up there. And I think it's great that they're doing this. Now remember, these are limited. I think it's about 300 that they're going to have each, and once they're gone, they're gone. So there's going to be links below in the description if you guys want to purchase one body or 2 bodies or all 3 of them. They're going to be $39.99, I believe, each in there. You can put a pre-order in for it. Now they also have these ramps too that they just made for the Groms that are out there as well. So there'll be a link below in the description for this. I know it's a lot of links out there, but you guys click on one, you can probably see it all as you go through Horizon site and see that. But these are going to be 3 ramps you can purchase to use with your mini scale cars, whether it's a Grom, a Losi car, or anything else, WL Toys. They have these kind of ramps for these mini vehicles, and they give you a lot of accessory stuff with them. I just have them set up real quick just to run real quick because I am going to run this limited edition body on it. I'm not going to do a lot because I don't want to damage it up. I do have all 3 bodies with this, so I may do a giveaway. If you guys put down the comments and say giveaway, I get 20 comments, I may go ahead and do a giveaway and give away the other body or maybe the other 2 bodies in a limited they're limited edition in some kind of giveaway on Instagram. So let me know in the comments if that's something you guys want to see. Excuse me, start giving giveaways and stuff. But anyway, I am going to run this real quick on these ramps I have set out there. Now these ramps, they're not like weighted down or anything, but they do give you double-sided tape and stuff to put them down, to weigh them down. But these are going to be great at some events that I have coming up, at some previous events I did before in the past. But anyway, let's go ahead, let's get this set up and let's test these ramps out. All right, y'all, giving this a test out here with the short course desert style truck. Of course, this is the brushless model. Probably gonna bust this body up a little bit. And that's why you wanna put the double-sided tape on it. Let's see how far we can get this to jump. Now this will be great with the newly released Quake and Gorgon that's out there, actually for any of them, especially if you get these secure down. Now real quick, they do, if you're going to put this off-road, so when they come, they're going to be kind of zip tied together, but you can easily put some nails in here if you're going to have this off-road and get them into the ground. If you're going to run them on something like this and it's going to be there all day, just get some double-sided tape. They give you some and you can secure these down. These are not secured down with this, but you guys can get the concept of setting some of these up, and these are going to be 69 bucks. I want to see. Oh, there goes that nice limited edition body. All right, let me get a good running start. Oh, it's not too bad. That's why I only did one, so I may give away. You guys want this body? No, I'm just playing. Let me see if I can do a jump to me real quick. There we go. These ramps are going to be great. I do a non-profit event called Kids Fest and Helping Hands for the City of College Park. And I usually try to make some ramps. I make them out of cardboard and stuff. But I can see myself using these at that event, especially on some brush vehicles, setting, especially the smaller ones, because sometimes the kids just don't want to run around in a circle. And I'll probably end up getting another set of these to run in there, especially this one right here to give them something to run over. There we go. All right, I'm gonna do one more big jump. I don't wanna mess this limited edition body up, but I already did somewhat. We're gonna go full blast. Let's go, let's get it. Ooh. It is armor tough, of course. And the body's not busted up too bad either. Now, it doesn't take a lot to put this body on. I mean, you get the original roll cage with the Mojave, and it's 13 screws, I think, total that you're gonna have to remove. Now, what it doesn't have in the front of this real quick is the front bumper that comes on it. Now, you can drill some holes and put that on there if you want to. You guys see I got some scrapes and scratches there. But you can drill some holes to put that front plastic piece on here if you want to do that. But what you want to do is, of course, there's going to be screws on the side, screws on that side, and then you take the bottom, there's screws on the inside, and there's about 4 screws on the back. You want to take those off, and then you want to remove these top skid plate screws last. So you want to do all the inside parts. It's like 10, or it's actually 9 screws without including these, and that's the ones on the front bumper. And then you want to, of course, pick the body you want, put the decals on there, and put that all together. So it's not really hard. It took me about a total of maybe 10 minutes to take the screws out the old one, put the screws into this one, and put the decals on. So it doesn't take that long. So like I said, there's going to be links below in the description to this. I'm actually going to, since my body's pretty much banged up a little bit, I'm going to drive this out here and enjoy some leisure time while I have it. But I'll probably end up taking these ramps to another place too and securing them down, and probably set up a little track and getting some friends out and running some of the smaller mini cars out there and on course and stuff. So if you guys want to see stuff like that, of course, put it down in the comments too. So don't forget, there's links in the description to all this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you watching. trying not to talk y'all and do this unedited. There we go. How you doing? But I gotta talk a little bit. I wanna let you guys know, if I had these double-sided tape down, that would definitely be able to do a backflip on there. We got a lady with her dog over here. You guys see there? See the kind of stunts and tricks you can do with this ramp, especially with this Gorgon, and I can't wait when this Quake comes available, because I'm definitely getting one of those and put that out here. Look at that. So of course I need to put these down. So I'll probably do that at some point in time. I just wanted to run these on here just so you guys can see and get kind of an idea of what you can do with these. So you're not just seeing a image of them and your imagination can't go wild with this, but this basically has a great angle that you can do those backflips on. Let's see real quick. There we go. Let's do it one more time. Nice. That's set up at a perfect angle. One more time, one more time. Let's do a full speed. I knew I would probably mess that one up. Anyway, guys, there's links below in the description to all this. So let me know in the comments if you want me to get some kids out or something and see if we can set these up and maybe secure them down and maybe do a little race or something. I'll get some friends out first, see if we can run them out there. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching.